Hi guys, and welcome back. We are now on episode 3, and we're looking at half angle identities. So the previous identity that we did was the double angle. We had a cos 2 theta, okay, and we know by now this is either cos squared theta minus sine squared theta, or if you change and put a 1 minus there, then you're going to have 2 cos squared theta minus 1, or if you change this and put 1 minus sine squared, then you're going to have 1 minus 2 sine squared theta. That's what we have established. These are the three forms of this identity. Now, guys, you can actually, rather, I hope you can notice something here. This angle is actually twice that angle, okay? And even this angle here is twice that angle. Now, this is what I'm saying. From this one here, okay, maybe let me name this. Let me call that 1, 2, 3, okay? From equation 2, okay, you can use equation 2 to find the half angle in terms of cos. You can use equation 3 to find the half angle for sine, okay? What are half angles? Well, so sometimes in application questions, they can ask you, and this is the common one in any way, what is sine of 45 over 2, okay? So you need to realize that sine of 45 over 2 is actually 45 over 2 times 2, which is 45. Okay. And you see immediately here that actually that's a half angle. This is a double angle. Okay. The coefficient of theta here is 1, and 1 is half of 2, right? So that's why we call it that way. So it's actually something that you already know, but you know it subconsciously. You just need that voice that will bring it out from you. So it's not really rocket science. It's not something that's difficult. You really know it, guys. Is within you. So let's start with the half angle for sine. Okay, so I'm gonna do this half angle for sine. Okay, for sine. Let's use theta. So as I said, I'm going to take equation 2. So, I'm going to take equation 3 for sine. So what do I have? 1 minus 2 sine squared theta is equal to cos 2 theta. Okay? And by the way, you are more than welcome to substitute from this point, but I'm just going to derive a formula for it. If it seems too complicated for you, really, guys, then stick to this. It's cool, really, to solve it from all this. But now, let's just be, mathematicians and show our art here. All right. So I'm going to have minus 2 sine squared theta is equal to cos 2 theta minus 1, right? And I'm going to divide by minus 2 on both sides. Okay, then I have sine squared theta is equal to minus, okay, cos 2 theta plus 1, and this is all over 2 because I divided by negative 2, as I said. So therefore, the sine, okay, that is sine squared. The sine now of a half angle is actually 1 minus cos 2 theta over 2. And I must have a plus or a minus there. Okay, that's how easy it is. And if you like, again, you can, of course, do the half angle for cos, okay? Half angle for cos theta, okay? And again, I'm going to use equation 2. In this case, 2 cos squared theta minus 1 is cos 2 theta, right? And then I want to keep cos theta on the left side, so I'm going to start by cleaning up the left side. I'm going to have that, and then I divide by 2, then cos squared theta is cos 2 theta plus 1, okay, over 2, or you can say 1 plus cos 2 theta, And then if I maybe let me do it that way so that you can just see the difference between the two. It will make it easier for you to see that. So then cos theta, again, I take the square root because I'm getting rid of the square there. Then it's plus minus that, okay? So let me just write this here, and then, yeah, we're done. So here it is. It is. What is the difference? There's just one slight difference. For sine, we have a minus. For cos, we have a plus. But they are essentially the same. So I hope this has stimulated your thinking, or it has clarified the matters. As I said, if you find this derivation too complicated or of some nature, of some way, then please stick to those simple ones and just substitute right away and solve for whatever you're looking for. Now, where does the concept of half angle come from? Okay, so here, suppose theta, okay, and I want you to compare this theta here and that to theta, okay? Then, if I want to have theta here, I must divide by 2 both sides, such that half theta, something like that. Of course, the equal sign at this point, it does not really make some sense. So maybe I should not do that. Let me say VS. Yeah. Okay. So you can see now, I can simplify this thing here, and write it as sine theta over 2 is equal to plus minus 1 minus cos theta over 2. Likewise, I can do the same thing here. I can say cos theta over 2 is plus minus 1 plus cos theta over 2. And that's where this formulae come from. Ladies and gentlemen, we are done deriving this nice, awesome identity. What I'll try and do in the next video or two, I will then show you how to put this into practice in terms of proving other trigonometric identities, simplifying some expressions, and working on general solutions. I hope you have enjoyed this, and I hope it will be of much benefit to you. Until then, I'll catch you later.